witness the incredible story of Leicester City's 2016 Premier League title win, defying 5,000 to 1 odds and becoming one of the greatest sporting upsets of all time. Leicester City began the 2015-2016 season as 5,000 to 1 outsiders to win the Premier League title. The team was led by manager Claudio Ranieri, who replaced Nigel Pearson in July 2015. Leicester City's top scorer, Jamie Vardy, broke the record for consecutive Premier League games with a goal. The Foxes' 1-0 win over Manchester United in November 2015 marked a turning point in their season. Leicester City secured the title with 2 games to spare following Tottenham's 2-2 draw with Chelsea. The title win was Leicester City's first top-flight championship in their 132-year history.
Look at the longest wait times in history, including the 36-hour wait for the iPhone 5S launch in 2013, and examine the psychological factors that drive people to wait for hours or even days for a product or experience. The 36-hour wait for iPhone 5S in 2013 still holds the record for longest wait for a product launch. Apple fans camped outside Apple stores, braving rain and cold, to be among the first to buy the iPhone 5S. Research shows that anticipation and excitement can activate the brain's reward system, driving people to wait long hours. The psychology of scarcity plays a role, as limited quantities create a sense of urgency and exclusivity around a product. Some fans even camped out for days, like the 32-hour wait for the original iPhone in 2007, for the ultimate experience.
Step into the dusty world of the American frontier, where cowboys and outlaws washed their clothes in rivers and streams. In the Wild West, laundry day was a rare luxury, often only happening every 2 to 3 months. Cowboys and outlaws washed their clothes in rivers and streams, using soap made from animal fat and lye. They'd scrub clothes against rocks or use a washboard, a tool introduced by European settlers. Drying clothes was a challenge, with some using cacti or tree branches to hang their garments. The smell of dirty clothes was a dead giveaway for outlaws on the run, making cleanliness a matter of survival. As towns grew, laundries and bathhouses emerged, offering a welcome respite from the dusty, dirty life on the range.
Uncover the surprising reason why yellow is often associated with happiness, and how its cultural significance varies across the globe, from sunshine to caution signs. Yellow is the first color our brains process, making it attention-grabbing and stimulating. The ancient Egyptians associated yellow with gold, symbolizing wealth and power. In Mexico, yellow is a symbol of death and mourning, while in India, it represents knowledge. The color yellow can increase memory and cognitive function by up to 15%. Yellow is used in caution signs worldwide due to its high visibility in low-light conditions. The world's happiest country, Finland, uses yellow in its national branding and design.
Explore the eerie remains of the mining town of Centralia, Pennsylvania, USA, where a coal seam fire has been burning since 1962, forcing the town's abandonment. Centralia, Pennsylvania was once a thriving mining town with over 1,000 residents. In 1962, a coal seam fire ignited beneath the town, releasing toxic gases and pollutants. Despite efforts to extinguish it, the fire continues to burn to this day, over 60 years later. The fire's heat and fumes caused widespread damage, forcing the government to evacuate the town in 1984. Today, Centralia is a ghost town, with only a few remaining buildings and a largely abandoned highway system. The coal seam fire is expected to burn for another 250 years, making Centralia a permanent, modern-day ghost.
From the Tacoma Narrows Bridge to the Morandi Bridge, count down 5 of the most shocking bridge collapses in history and learn what led to these catastrophic events. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge in Washington state collapsed just 4 months after its opening in 1940. The bridge's collapse was caught on film, making it one of the most studied engineering failures in history. The Morandi Bridge in Italy collapsed in 2018, killing 43 people and injuring 16 others. A combination of corrosion and poor maintenance led to the Morandi Bridge's catastrophic failure. The Silver Bridge in West Virginia collapsed in 1967, resulting in the deaths of 46 people. The collapse of the Silver Bridge led to major changes in bridge inspection and safety regulations in the United States. It's not an animal or a plant, but a fungus that covers over 2,200 acres. The world's largest living organism is a fungus called Armillaria ostoya, also known as the honey mushroom. It covers over 2,200 acres in Oregon, USA, making it roughly the size of 1,665 football fields. This massive fungus is estimated to be around 2,400 years old, making it one of the oldest living things on Earth. It grows by sending out underground tendrils called mycelium, which break down organic matter and absorb nutrients. Despite its massive size, the fungus is thought to be a single individual because it's all connected by a vast network of mycelium. Armillaria ostoya is considered a keystone species, playing a crucial role in its ecosystem by decomposing organic matter and providing nutrients to other stonies. Explore the amazing world of human anatomy with Dr. 2. The human body is made up of approximately 37.2 trillion cells, each with a specific function. The heart pumps around 2,000 gallons of blood daily, equivalent to filling a small swimming pool. The human brain uses 20% of the body's energy, while accounting for only 2% of its mass. The lungs can hold up to 4.8 liters of air, allowing us to survive at high altitudes. The liver performs over 500 functions, including detoxification and nutrient processing. The human body can produce over 1 liter of saliva daily, aiding digestion and oral health.
Have you ever seen a shimmering oasis in the desert, only to find it's just a mirage? Desert mirages are optical illusions caused by the way light behaves in hot, dry air. The hottest air closest to the ground bends light, creating a fake image of a distant object. Mirages can appear as oases, lakes, or even cities, but they're just tricks of the brain. The Fata Morgana mirage, named after a mythical sorceress, is a rare, inverted mirage that appears as a city in the sky. Desert mirages can be so convincing that they've led travelers astray for centuries, even causing some to perish. In reality, mirages are just a reflection of the sky or surrounding environment, distorted by the atmosphere.